Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem. X plus 4 to the power of 4 equals 16. Now one thing you should have on your mind is that at the end of the day, we are going to have 4 solutions because of the power of 4. And there's nothing wrong if you take the square root of both sides. Then on the right, we have positive or negative square root of 16. Now, this square root, what does it mean? It means that x plus 4 to the power of 4 is being raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? Then on the other side, we have plus or minus. Square root of 4 is 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Now, this can go there as we have x plus 4 to the power of 2 being equal to plus or minus 4. And do not forget that if you have a plus b to the power of 2, you will have a squared plus 2ab then plus b squared, right? So a squared will now be x squared. Then 2 will appear plus a is still x and our b is 4. Then plus b squared, which will now be 4 squared, and everything is equal to plus or minus 4. Now x squared plus 8x plus 16 will be equal to plus or minus 4. So from here now, we are expected to have two equations. One is going to be positive, so I'm going to leave out the negative and I'll pick it up again. We have x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 4. I will still come back for negative 4. Now this means that x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus 4 is equal to 0. X squared plus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. We are going to solve this using the formula method. So the formula has ABC. So it's left for you to know your A. Our A is 1. That is the coefficient of x squared, right? Then our B is 8, the coefficient of x. And then the C is 12, which is the constant. Now we have x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and everything is over 2a. Now we have x. Let's substitute. Minus b becomes minus 8 plus or minus. Then b squared, that would be 8 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 12. So this is over 2 times 1 because a is 1. Now our x is equal to minus 8 plus or minus, we have square root of 64 minus 48. And then we divide this by 2, right? Okay, so x is equal to minus 8 plus or minus, if we subtract this, we have 16. And this will be divided by 2. Now this means that our x is equal to minus 8 plus or minus 4, because square root of 16 is 4. Then we divide by 2. What can we do? Let's divide. So x is equal to 2 will go there, and we have minus 4 plus or minus. The same 2 will go here, and we have 2. So this means that our x is equal to minus 4 plus 2 or minus 4 minus 2, right? So our x is equal to, from here we are going to have minus 2, or on this side we have minus 6. So we are saying that x is equal to minus 2 or minus 6. So we have two solutions from here. Now let's go back to the equation I left out before, and that is x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals negative 4. So this time around we are picking negative 4, right? Because we picked positive 4 before. And then we have x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus 4 equals 0. This time around our a is 1, our b is 8, and our c is equal to 20. Because I'm supposed to add these two. 16 plus 4, that is 20. And the formula still remains x equals, okay, so we have minus b plus or minus, we have square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we substitute, and x will now be minus 8 plus or minus, we have from b squared, that will be 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 20. How did I get the 20? Because c is 20, and I divide this by 2 times 1. Now our x is minus 8 plus or minus square root of 64, then minus 4 times 1 times 20 is 80. Then we divide this by 2. Okay, so we continue. Okay, so our x will now be minus 8 plus or minus, if we subtract this we have minus 16, then we divide by 2. So to continue, our x will be equal to minus 8 plus or minus, now this square root of negative 16 will give us 4i. Okay, the I is because of the negative there. Then we divide by 2. But mind you, 2 can go into both of them, so x is equal to 2 into 4. 2 into 8 is 4, so we have minus 4 plus or minus 2 into this 4 will give us 2i. So we are saying that our x is equal to minus 4 plus 2i, or minus 4 minus 2i. So we are going to bring the four solutions together. From what we got before, we got x equals minus 2. We also got x equals minus 6. And now we got x equals minus 4 plus 2i. And then we have x equals minus 4 minus 2i. So this is our x1, our x2, x3, and x4. These are the four solutions to the equation. Thank you for watching.